Ever pondered the significance of social media advertising in our digital era? It's a question worth considering, as social media has become a powerful tool for businesses to reach their target audience. Facebook, with over 2 billion active users, stands as an undisputed leader in this realm, offering a vast platform for companies to showcase their products and services. Embarking on the journey of mastering Facebook ads might seem daunting at first, especially for beginners. But fear not. Today, an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide to conquering Facebook ads is on the agenda. Step 1. Set up a Facebook Ads Manager account. This platform is where the magic happens, creating, managing, and tracking ads. It's a straightforward process. Just visit the Facebook Ads Manager page and click on the Create an Ad button. Once the account is up and running, Step 2 comes into play, defining the target audience. Facebook's Audience Insights tool is an invaluable resource here. It offers detailed data about potential customers, from their age and location to their interests and behaviors. Utilize this information to create a target audience that aligns with the products or services on offer. With the audience defined, Step 3 involves creating the ad. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats to choose from. Whether it's image, video, carousel, or collection ads, the key is to use eye-catching visuals and a compelling call to action. Step 4 is all about budgeting and placement. It's crucial to set a budget for the ad and choose the most suitable placement. Facebook provides various options, such as newsfeed, stories, and in-stream videos, catering to different ad styles. The final step, Step 5, involves monitoring the ad's performance. Once the ad is live, keep a close eye on its metrics through the Facebook Ads Manager. It offers metrics like reach, engagement, and conversions, providing a clear picture of how the ad is performing. Use this data to optimize the ad, making necessary changes to ensure optimal results. In summary, mastering Facebook ads involves setting up an Ads Manager account, defining the target audience, creating the ad, setting the budget and choosing the placement, and finally, monitoring the ad's performance. So, all you beginners out there looking to advertise your business on Facebook, take this step-by-step guide and watch your business flourish. Thank you for tuning in, and happy advertising.